Right. Just a minute. ठीक है, तो I think we have 12 participants. Thank you, brothers and sisters, for joining the meeting today. Really appreciate you all taking time and attending this initiative. Uh, so today's agenda is एक इंट्रोडक्शन अपना और जो है थोड़ा करियर गाइडेंस ग्रुप का, फिर उसके बाद करंट चैलेंजेस। तो ये करंट चैलेंजेस जो है खुद हमारे हो सकते हैं और जो है कम्युनिटी की तरफ से भी जो हम फेस करते हैं वो, तो उसके ऊपर थोड़ा जो है ब्रेनस्टॉर्म या जो है आप लोगों के भी इनपुट चाहिए। अगर आप ऑलरेडी जो है पास में जो है इनिशिएटिव्स में काम किए हैं तो आपके भी जो है थोड़े इनपुट्स हमें चाहिए इसमें। और जो जो बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, एक रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज अपने आप को म्यूट कर दीजिए एंड योर फील फ्री टू टॉक। ऐसा यानी कि अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है या कुछ शेयर करना चाह रहे हैं तो प्लीज अनम्यूट एंड टॉक। फिर आई थिंक आफ्टर करंट चैलेंजेस थर्ड पॉइंट जो है व्हाट आर द वेज वी कैन हेल्प शिया कम्युनिटी। कौन से तरीके हैं जिसकी जो है वजह से हम शिया कम्युनिटी की हेल्प कर सकते हैं। फिर अगेन सजेशंस के और क्या क्या सजेशंस और क्या क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट एरियाज है, हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं। तो ये जो ग्रुप है बेसिकली ये कोर ग्रुप रहेगा इंशाल्लाह। और जो है हमारी कोर प्लानिंग सेशंस की कैसा जो है मोड ऑफ डिलीवरी रहेगी, कैसा जो इसको प्लान करना है, तो सब चीजें जो है यही ग्रुप में इंशाल्लाह जो है डिस्कस होंगी। तो वो सब चीजें जो है हम डिस्कस करेंगे। फिर उसके बाद कम्युनिकेशन चैनल एंड देन लास्ट स्टेप इज व्हाट आर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स। तो एक्शन पॉइंट्स क्या है। तो फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन से मैं जो है थोड़ा करियर गाइडेंस का इंट्रोडक्शन दे दूंगा। फिर उसके बाद जो है देखेंगे इंशाल्लाह जो है थोड़े और पार्टिसिपेंट्स ज्वाइन होंगे तो इट्स गुड। तो first of all, my introduction. My name is Kazim. I am working as a Azure Infra consultant. I am based out of Hyderabad, India. So me, along with Ali and some other folks on this, so Mazhar Bhai, who will also share his introduction soon, are few of the core members who are working since a long time with this group. So we started somewhere around 2016 March. So Alhamdulillah, it has been like 5 years we are working. So on and off 2 साल से पैंडमिक की वजह से एटलीस्ट जो है लास्ट 1 ईयर तो उतना हम एक्टिव नहीं थे। तो उससे पहले जो है हम लोग स्कूल्स को जाके सेशंस वगैरह डिलीवर करते थे जो 10th स्टैंडर्ड इंटरमीडिएट और कॉलेजेस के लिए जो है हेल्पफुल रहता था। तो एट अ हाई लेवल हमारा विजन क्या है। तो अगर मैं शॉर्ट समरी आपको दे दूं कि जो है हम चाहते हैं कि जो है अपनी कौम हर फील्ड में आगे बढ़े, जैसा कि सिविल सर्विसेज हो गया या उनके प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ, या तो गवर्नमेंट सर्विसेज में हो सकते हैं या उनका खुद का बिजनेस हो सकता है छोटा बड़ा, या जो है एमएनसीज में जो है उनको अच्छे से अच्छी जॉब, अच्छे से अच्छी पोजीशन, करियर प्रोग्रेशन। तो ये हमारा जो है ओवरऑल विजन है। जी, जी कोई कुछ बोलना चाह रहा? तो छोटा जैसा विजन है और काफी डिटेल्स है, बट मैं डिटेल्स में नहीं जा रहा हूँ। बट थोड़ा जो इम्पोर्टेंट है यहाँ पे टच बेस करना वो ये है कि हम लोग क्या नहीं करते, करियर गाइडेंस ग्रुप क्या नहीं करता, वो ये है कि हम कोई पैसे चार्ज नहीं करते, कोई रजिस्ट्रेशन फीस नहीं लेते। तो आप देखेंगे कि हम जो जो भी ट्रेनिंग जो भी सेशंस देते हैं वो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट होते हैं। और यहाँ पे एक चीज ये भी है कि हम लोग जो है फीस वगैरह में भी ज्यादा इन्वॉल्व नहीं होते हैं, यानी कि फीस से कोई हेल्प नहीं करते, स्टूडेंट्स की हो या प्रोफेशनल्स की हो। तो ये चीज़ जो है हमारे लिए काइंड ऑफ आउट ऑफ स्कोप है। हम जो है फाइनेंसेस में बेसिकली नहीं जाते हैं। जो भी होता है लाइक गाइडेंस, रिज्यूमे, ना पैसे लेते हैं ना पैसे देते हैं इन शॉर्ट। और थर्ड वाला अगर आप देखेंगे तो नो गारंटी फॉर जॉब प्लेसमेंट, थोड़ा ब्लंट स्टेटमेंट है, बट इसका लिखने का मतलब ये है कि हम गारंटी नहीं देते कि ट्रेनिंग करने के बाद, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स ट्रेनिंग देने के बाद, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स की ट्रेनिंग देने के बाद आपको जॉब 100% मिल जाएगी। ऑब्वियसली हम हेल्प करेंगे जितना हो सकता है जॉब की आपकी जो है ओपनिंग के लिए, उसके लिए पूरे ग्रुप मेंबर्स के लिए, बट एट द सेम टाइम हमारी कोई गारंटी नहीं है कि जो है आपको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा। ये यानी कि XYZ ट्रेनिंग कोर्स करने के बाद CG एश्योर्स के भाई आपको जॉब मिलेगा ही मिलेगा। लास्ट वाला आई थिंक फोर्थ पॉइंट इज अगेन रिलेटेड टू सेकंड, व्हिच इज अगेन मॉनेटरी जो है कोई भी चीज हेल्प नहीं करते, या तो इंडिविजुअल हो या फैमिली हो। फर्स्ट वाला फीस के रिलेटेड था, बट फोर्थ वाला इज मोर टुवर्ड्स लाइक सोशल अपलिफ्टमेंट भी हो सकता है। जैसा कि किसी की दवाखाने के लिए कुछ फीस नहीं है या पैसे नहीं है, शादी के लिए, तो ये सब चीजें भी जो है हम बेसिकली फाइनेंसेस में कुछ ज्यादा इन्वॉल्व नहीं है। अगर कुछ फाइनेंसेस हम लेते हैं इंटरनल ग्रुप मेंबर से तो वो अपने खुद के एक्सपेंसेस के लिए, दैट्स इट। और जो है आई थिंक इतना इंट्रोडक्शन काफ़ी है। तो मैं आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, सबसे पहले जो है जकी भाई से, जो वन ऑफ द सीनियर मेंबर्स है, कि वो अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दें, और जो है थोड़ा कुछ आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस जो ग्रुप के साथ रहे हैं, जकी भाई आप जो है प्लीज वो शेयर करिए।
हाँ, मैं ये बोलना चाह रहा था कि मैं हैदराबाद से हूँ और फिर अमेरिका में हूँ। और जैसा बताया काजिम कि कई साल से हम लोग साथ काम कर रहे, तो मकसद एक ही है कि कौम के मसाइल कई है, और हमारा कोई सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं है, सोशल अपलिफ्टमेंट ग्रुप नहीं है, और इवन एजुकेशनल अपलिफ्टमेंट के लिए हम सिर्फ बेसिक काम करते हैं। तो ये है कि जैसा किसी को रास्ता दिखाना है और उसको किसी भी चीज की जरूरत है कि अनप्रिपेयर्ड है, एक्सपोजर ज्यादा नहीं है, वहां तक उसकी कमी पूरा करना है। तो बस वो हिसाब से जो है ये प्लेटफॉर्म डेवलप हुआ। और इसके अंदर सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ये रहता है कि जो वंस इन ए वाइल ऐसे इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज, तो जूम आ गया तो ये इवेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं हम। और जो है फिर सब मिलके, टाइम सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर है। तो सब लोगों को बेसिकली इनिशियली थोड़ा एंथुसियाज्म रहता, बट ओवर ए पीरियड ऑफ टाइम फिर वो सब चीज बैक टू ग्राउंड जीरो हो जाती। तो हम जितना सही, हमारा बिगेस्ट मकसद ये है कि अहले बैत अतार अल्लाह की खुशनुदी के लिए हम अपना सिंसियरली कितना टाइम दे सकते। और जैसा काजिम है, अली है, ये लोग को पता है कि जो है वहां पर, अब मैं अमेरिका में हूँ, तो जो है वहां पर एग्जैक्टली जो है किस फील्ड में लोग, कंप्यूटर साइंसेस में है, आईटी में है, तो वहां पर जो है क्या क्या डेवलपमेंट हो रहे हैं, टेक्नोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट। मेरी फील्ड अलग है, तो खैर वो फील्ड का उतना ज्यादा है वहां पर, जैसा मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस है उसको वहां पर उतना मैंने देखा कोई खातिर खा उस पर तवज्जो है। वो बहुत लॉन्ग टर्म गोल है। एनीवेज, तो आप लोग को सिर्फ जो है एटलीस्ट वंस इन ए मंथ आप लोग मिलना चाहिए कहीं ना कहीं, एक एक घंटे 1.5 घंटे के लिए। और जो एरियाज है वो आइडेंटिफाई करना कि हम किस फील्ड में काम करेंगे, सब एजुकेशन। और जो है बेसिकली ये बच्चों का जो गाइडेंस है वो है 10th इंटरमीडिएट और इवन बैचलर्स जो कर रहे बच्चे, उन लोग को गाइड कीजिए आप लोग। तो फिर इस हिसाब से लास्ट टाइम जो जूम सेमिनार हुआ, उस तरह के सेमिनार, so those kind of seminar help them quite a long way. So you all have to come together as a strong group and contribute enormously as you can with your thoughts, ideas, and time. And with this, I would pass on to Ali to follow up with it.
अली भाई का शायद, अली भाई आप म्यूट पे है।
सॉरी, मैं यहाँ हूँ। तो मेरा नाम अली है, मैं भी हैदराबाद से हूँ और मैं स्क्रम मास्टर हूँ एजाइल का। और हम लोग भी क्लाउड टेक्नोलॉजीज के ऊपर यहाँ पे काम करते हैं। मेरी कंपनी माइक्रोन टेक्नोलॉजी है। यहाँ पर एक आईटी हब है गच्चीबौली, वहाँ पर हम लोग का ऑफिस है। तो जी हाँ, तो ये मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन है। मैं काजिम भाई, बैक टू यू।
आई थिंक मैं नाम पुकारने से अच्छा लाइक अगर एक एक इंडिविजुअल आगे आके इफ ही और शी कैन इंट्रोड्यूस जस्ट अ शॉर्ट इंट्रोडक्शन, नाम, लोकेशन और जो है आपका थोड़ा प्रोफेशनल बैकग्राउंड। आई थिंक उर्दू में, इंग्लिश में, whichever way you're comfortable.
But before that, Kazim, the most important thing is that do you have a notebook and a pen so that you can make notes?
जी
जी,
मैं
मेरे पास
Especially
exactly
about
yeah.
ground so that we can establish strong groups, how we can work together in various aspects.
जी अली भाई आप थोड़ा कुछ नोट्स वगैरह लिख सकते हैं, मैं
हाँ,
कोशिश करता
मैं
हूँ
नोट्स
पावर
ले रहा हूँ।
पॉइंट में, बट हाँ
नहीं, मैं नोट्स ले रहा हूँ, कोई बात
तो कैन वी गेट स्टार्टेड? क्या मैं नाम पुकारूं फिर उसको? तो आई मीन डोंट बी शाई, ऐसा आई थिंक शाई होने का तो कुछ है नहीं, क्योंकि हमें साथ काम करना है, तो आई थिंक कंफर्टेबल रहेंगे तो। और अगर आपको ऐसा दिख रहा है कि बहुत ज्यादा प्रोफेशनल हो जा रही मीटिंग ऐसा कुछ, तो प्लीज बोलिए। आई मीन यहाँ पे ज्यादातर आप लोग का इनपुट ज्यादा मायने रखता है हमारे बोलने से, तो आप अगर बात करेंगे तो इट वुड बी रियली हेल्पफुल।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम भाई, बहुत खुशी हुई आप लोगों से मिलके। मतलब फ़िलहाल तो ज़ूम पे वर्चुअली। मेरा नाम शाकिर अब्बास है और मैं कश्मीर से हूँ। फ़िलहाल मैं जनपैक्ट में जॉब कर रहा हूँ एज़ ए कंटेंट मॉडरेटर। क्लाउड को मतलब जो अभी हम क्लाउड सीख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, तो मैंने एडुरेका से, जिसके वीडियोज़ भी मैंने शेयर किए काज़िम भाई से, अब 1-2 महीने पहले उसका स्टार्ट करा मैंने। तो आज मेरी फिर से एक क्लास है उसकी 8:30 बजे जीसीपी की। उसके वीडियोस भी इंशाल्लाह मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगा, उसका कंटेंट भी। तो ये मेरे बारे में। शुक्रिया।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं राहीन बाबुल। I am based out in Mumbai, and I am a project manager in an IT company named Anet. So overall, I have an experience of 8 years. It also includes a bit of web development. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
जी वालेकुम सलाम।
मेरा नाम सैयद मोहम्मद बाखर है, मैं बेंगलोर से हूँ और आई एम एन एजुकेशन काउंसलर कम वर्किंग इन Accenture from last 11 years as a program and project senior analyst, and I have an own academy, all-in-one global academy in Bangalore. I have done 300 plus counseling across India. It is like counseling plus guidance. We have different methods of guiding in student across professional. It may be a schooling, college, or it may be a bachelor's, or in professional also.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mohammad Hussain Manashia. Currently, I'm based out of Bangalore. I've been here for the last 2 years, and I'm all-in-all an IT guy, an engineer at heart. Right now, I'm a technical program manager and a cloud solutions architect, cloud infrastructure and DevOps solutions architect. And I've actually mentored a few folks through my career, both from our community and outside. I enjoy mentoring, also because it's good to stay connected and see the career progression, other than doing it for the for our Sawab and for our Ahlul Bayt. Really helps keep ourselves up to speed on the latest, because some of good mentees ask great questions that make us go do our own learning and come back and answer them right. So alhamdulillah, I see it as a two-way learning process, as well as assisting the right people. Inshallah, glad to associate myself. And alhamdulillah, just today I got a message from one of the groups I was on about this training, specifically calling out the Shia community. And I reached out and found out that today there's a meeting for introduction. So I think this is a sign. Inshallah, I'll be associated with you all, and inshallah we'll do things together. Jazakallah khair.
Inshallah.
Hi everyone, I'm Nasir and I've been working with HCL as the project manager for clinical accounts in specific. I've worked with some BPOs, ITES organizations as well. My main focus during my tenure as an employee with HCL has been oriented towards learning and development, majorly about performance improvements. And basically, the reason to join this group and understand more is the goal is more intrinsic and not financial. That's something that's really inspiring, that we can do what we can with what we have. So really looking forward to invest some time for the benefit of the community here.
Thank you, Nasir bhai. Nasir bhai, your location?
I am based in Hyderabad. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Mariam, and I've completed my BTech in biotechnology. Right now, I'm preparing for my PhD, and side by side, I'm into network marketing. So I'm from Lucknow. So I will try my best to help the community in any way possible. Thank you.
Thank you. Walaikum salam.
So I have a team member. Now I can introduce myself. So basically, I did master's and PhD in biochemistry from Osmania University. I came to United States, live in Memphis. I work at St. Jude. I used to work at St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, where I carried out my postdoctoral fellowship in the area of viral oncogenesis and tumor immunology. St. Jude was a premier center in the world for pediatric cancer research and infectious disease and diagnosis. Then I move on to many roles. I work as a principal scientist at a biotech company, also as a research professor at the University of Tennessee Health Science Center, and currently as I'm working as a senior scientist at the GCLP compliant lab, the headquarters in Germany. The name is MLM Medical Labs. So I have a team member. So I hardly see people getting into life sciences areas in our community, especially in Hyderabad. So I think we can explore this area now.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, biotechnology is very बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं इसके बारे में इतना ज्यादा, और जो जानते हैं वो फॉरेन मतलब उनको ये लगता है मार्केटिंग सेक्टर में जॉब ज्यादा है, और रिसर्च इंडिया में बहुत मुश्किल है इस टाइम पे, आप जानते होंगे।
एग्जैक्टली, तो वही मैं इसलिए जो है मेरी फील्ड का है नहीं, तो मैं इतना ज्यादा इनॉर्मसली कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं किया वो फील्ड के, क्योंकि हम लोग एक बार जो है बैचलर्स का ग्रुप भी कॉल किए थे मीटिंग के लिए, तो काफी लॉन्ग सेशन रहा। काजिम और जो है अली काफी सख्त मेहनत की, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी खातिर खा जो है रिजल्ट्स नहीं आए। यानी इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि बात बेसिक फंडामेंटल्स नहीं मालूम थे बच्चों को। यानी 25-30 लोग आए और उसके अंदर फर्ज कीजिए कि उनसे पूछ रहे कि भाई आपकी डिग्री कंप्लीट हो गई, कि नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है, या बेसिक डेफिनेशन कॉमर्स क्या है, और जो है किसी चीज से उनको वाकफियत नहीं है, और मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम सिर्फ खामोश रहे वो लोग। तो ये चीज जो है बहुत दुख की बात है कि जो भी आप फील्ड में हैं उसमें आपकी इफ नॉट थरो नॉलेज एटलीस्ट बेसिक तो रहना चाहिए। तो ये जो फील्ड है लाइफ साइंसेस, बायोलॉजिकल साइंसेस, हेल्थ साइंसेस, इसका तो बिल्कुल फौदान है हैदराबाद में। मैं हर साल जाता हूँ, लेकिन जो है अभी हालांकि कम्युनिटी में काफी इन्वॉल्व रहता हूँ, इसके अलावा भी दूसरे और एक्टिविटीज भी है, तो लेकिन इतना सुनने में नहीं आता। ज्यादा बच्चे आजकल जो है आईटी और सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग ये फील्ड्स में जा रहे हैं। एक दौर था 10 साल पहले के लोग काफी एमबीए का काफी क्रेज था कि हर जिससे भी आप बात कीजिए पता चल रहा कि एमबीए कर रहे हैं। तो ये है, और फिर थर्ड चीज ये रहती कि बस गल्फ कंट्रीज जा रहे हैं। तो ये बहुत जो है कमी है इस चीज की, क्यों पता नहीं कि लाइफ साइंसेस में नहीं आते लोग। एनीवे, तो आप हम मिलके अगर आइडेंटिफाई और कोशिश करेंगे लोगों की मदद से, काजिम और अली के साथ, और फिर कुछ हुआ तो फिर आगे बढ़ा सकते बात इंशाल्लाह।
So I think quickly थोड़ा introduction और जो brothers का रह गया है quickly introduction, क्योंकि I think we are already 25 minutes. तो next फराज कामरान भाई please you can just quick intro. Yeah,
मेरा नाम कामरान है। मैं बेसिकली मास्टर्स किया हूँ एमटेक इन मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग, एंड मेरा जुड़ने का मकसद बेसिकली यही है कि 2015 से मैं मास्टर्स कंप्लीट किया था। उसके बाद आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब, एंड मैं जो है ना काजिम भाई के थ्रू आया। काजिम भाई मेरे को गाइडेंस वगैरह दिए, सीजी से मेरे को बेसिकली बहुत गाइडेंस मिली, और आई वाज एबल टू गेट अ जॉब इनटू जेनपैक्ट। सो मेरा मोटिव अब फिलहाल यही है कि जैसा मेरे को कुछ हेल्प हुई और मैं कुछ आगे प्रोग्रेस कर सका अपने कैरियर में, जो है ना, मैं किसी को मेरे भाई को, कोई फैमिली मेंबर, किसी जी के कोई मेंबर को अगर कुछ हेल्प कर सकूं तो दैट वुड बी ग्रेट. दैट्स माय मेन मोटिव इन एनी वे.
जज़ाकल्लाह.
Assalamu
जफर भाई.
alaikum.
वालेकुम सलाम जी.
I am Rizvia Zahra from Barabanki, UP. And I don't have much to say here. I am completing my bachelor's degree in zoology and environmental science from Awadh University.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Sayyid Bakhar भाई और जफर अब्बास. I think these are the two people left.
Assalamu alaikum. Zafar Abbas here. So I am from Lucknow, and currently I am staying at Bangalore. I am working as a Java J2E application architect in an MNC. So I have a previous experience of working in IBM, Infosys, and other big organization. Overall, my experience is 17 years. So I love to mentor or guide the people, but I don't have any teaching experience, but I can mentor the people. So
okay, thank you. No worries. I think हम वो figure out कर लेंगे कि जो है कैसा whoever is comfortable. Bakhar bhai, I think you're the last one in this group.
Can you able to hear my voice?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm working in Accenture from last 11 years. Okay, and also I'm an MCA graduate in the masters, and I'm also an educational counselor. Since we do counseling for the students, my own methodology where we follow for the students, because I have an academy, All-in-One Global Academy, and we do help for the students to guide till the job. We have ZETCA methodology. We do counseling in a perspective of subjective psychology and personal. So we have certain parameters we follow, and we have done counseling across India. It may be Hyderabad, or it may be Delhi, Mumbai. We have associated with different organizations through helping for the students. It may be, I've been there for Hyderabad with the focus institution, I think 4-5 years back, by doing counseling for the students. And then I've been to Delhi, I've been to Mumbai for doing only for counseling for the students.
Jazakallah. तो
वन क्विक इंटरप्शन, काजिम, ये टाइपिंग जो आ रही है स्क्रीन पे, ये अली कर रहे हैं?
स्क्रीन पे टाइपिंग मैं कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा,
मैं कर रहा हूँ जी.
अली क्या कर रहे हैं? उन लोग जो है सिटी लिख रहे हैं, लेकिन
नहीं, एक्चुअली वो मेरे पास सीजी फॉर्म के जो एक्सेल फाइल है उसमें इसकी है डिटेल्स एक्चुअली. और फिर अली भाई भी शायद, आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग अली भाई भी इज आल्सो मेकिंग अ नोट. तो
नहीं, ये इम्पोर्टेंट है कि वो लोग कहाँ से है, लेकिन उससे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है कि उनका एजुकेशनल और प्रोफेशनल बैकग्राउंड क्या है, वो जरूर लिखिए आप.
जी जकी भाई, मैं नोट कर रहा हूँ इंशाल्लाह.
थैंक यू.
ठीक है, तो आई थिंक क्विकली वी हैव 32 minutes left in this meeting. तो करेंट चैलेंजेस जो हम लोग ने अब तक फेस किया है एज अ सीजी ग्रुप, ये जो है हम लोग की सेल्फ लर्निंग है. इट मे बी ट्रू और इट मे नॉट. तो हम लोग ने ये देखा है कि जैसा जकी भाई ने भी शुरू में बताया था कि जो है वी स्टार्ट विद फुल एंथुजियाज्म, और फिर जो है उसके बाद जैसा जैसा आगे काम बढ़ता है और जो है वर्कलोड आता है, तो जो है थोड़ा बहुत टाइम मैनेजमेंट के इश्यूज, प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन और सेल्फ मोटिवेशन, यानी कि मैं क्यों करूं, और फिर जो है होम के भी थोड़े रिस्पॉन्सेज जो है काइंड ऑफ नेगेटिव या ऐसे चीजें आ जाती है. तो ये हम लोग काफी जो है एक्सपीरियंस किए हैं, एटलीस्ट हम लोग के हैदराबाद के ग्रुप में. तो आई थिंक यहाँ पे दे आर लॉट ऑफ फोक्स आर ऑलरेडी वर्किंग. तो मैं तो ये इश्यूज आई डोंट सी इट्स कमिंग, बट ये चैलेंजेस हम लोग जो है लिस्ट डाउन करना सोचे थे. और इसके ऊपर जो है उसके बाद बेसिकली जो है कम्युनिटी लेवल जो चैलेंजेस है हमारे, कि कम्युनिटी में भी जो है सेल्फ मोटिवेशन, यानी कि हम लोग का ये ऑब्जर्वेशन रहा है कम्युनिटी के रिलेटेड कि हर कोई शॉर्टकट में जो है सक्सेस पाना चाहता है, कि जो है उनको सीधा सीधा मलाई चाहिए, और भाई ज़्यादा मेहनत, या जो है अगर आप बोलेंगे कि भाई आप ये कोर्स करो और फिर अपनी इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव करो, फिर रेज्यूमे बनाओ, इंटरव्यूज अटेंड करो, तो उसमें से अगर 10 में से आप बोलेंगे तो आई थिंक 1-2 ही कर पाएंगे। तो ये जो है थोड़ा हमारे को इसके साथ जो है काम करना पड़ेगा। इट इज डिफिकल्ट, बट हाँ ये फैक्ट है जो हम एटलीस्ट हैदराबाद के ऑडियंस के साथ एक्सपीरियंस किए हैं। एंड अगेन लाइक आई एम नॉट चैलेंजिंग एंटायर कम्युनिटी, आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू से कि हमने जो है ये सब ऑब्जर्व किया है एंड इट मे बी रॉन्ग एज वेल। Then coming to the second point, it is again a lot of social और जो है social media distractions, यानी कि जो है काफी social gathering और जो है social media का जो है बहुत ही I would say like abuse हो रहा है। they use WhatsApp, they use Facebook और जो है ना जाने कौन से applications, हमारी यूथ की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, जो इंटरमीडिएट डिग्री और जो है 10th स्टैंडर्ड के आसपास है। अभी जो ऑनलाइन वर्ल्ड की वजह से लाइक वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड में भी ये प्रॉब्लम और ज्यादा बढ़ गई है। तो आई थिंक ये चीजें भी हमारे को आगे जाके जो है कंसिडर करनी पड़ेगी और देखना पड़ेगा कि जो है हम उनको कैसा मोटिवेट कर सकेंगे और जो है ज्यादा जो है प्रोडक्टिव बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे कि जो है एटलीस्ट उनको समझ आए कि भाई 2-3 घंटे तो भी प्रोडक्टिव अगर हम हमारे दिन भर में रहे तो हमारा करियर जो है बहुत अच्छे से जो है आगे बढ़ेगा। और जो लास्ट चैलेंज मैंने जो लिस्ट डाउन किया है वो है कम्युनिकेशन गैप। अभी आप देखेंगे माशाल्लाह से यहाँ पे आई थिंक 15 पार्टिसिपेंट्स, राइट। तो मेरा जो रीच आउट था वो काफी ग्रुप्स में काफी लोगों को था और जो है हार्डली 41-42 रेस्पॉन्सेज उसमें आए। तो मेरा मैसेज एटलीस्ट 300-400 के ऊपर से लोगों के पास गया। बट आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं कुछ कम्युनिकेशन गैप है, डिस्कनेक्ट है, जो हम ऑडियंस को, प्रॉपर ऑडियंस को, आप जैसी ऑडियंस को या मेंटर्स को ऑन बोर्ड नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। वैसे ही ऑन कम्युनिटी लेवल वी आर अनेबल टू रीच प्रॉपर फोक्स हु एक्चुअली नीड्स हेल्प। तो उसके ऊपर आई थिंक थोड़ा हमें डिस्कशन करना पड़ेगा और जो है ये चैलेंजेस को कैसा जो है रिमूव करना है, ये इसके ऊपर जो है थोड़ी ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करनी पड़ेगी। तो क्योंकि सेशंस वगैरह काफ़ी प्लान्ड है और काफ़ी जो है आप लोग से बात करने के बाद आई एम पर्सनली फीलिंग वेरी मोटिवेटेड कि वी हैव वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम। बट यही है कि हम है डिलीवरी करने के लिए, बट एट द देयर शुड बी समवन फ्रॉम अदर साइड टू रिसीव दैट रिस्पांस। तो ये चीजें जो है आई थिंक इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट एज वेल टू कंसिडर। Then proceeding quickly, what we have planned is me Ali got started last week itself, like 22nd May को। तो हमने माह रमजान से पहले ये डिस्कशन किया था मैं और अली ने कि अली भाई कुछ जो है हम करेंगे, कम्युनिटी जो है सब जने वर्चुअल है, आई थिंक वी कैन जस्ट गिव अ ट्राई टू गिव अ बेसिक क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग ट्रेनिंग सेशन और देखते हैं कि रेस्पॉन्स कैसा रहता है। तो जो है अल्लाह की तौफीक से जो है काफी टाइम के बाद ये काम हुआ और जो है इन द एंड हमने सेशन डिलीवर किया और काफी जो है अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आया। तो उससे जो है वी गॉट अ बूस्ट के जो है ज्यादा हमें ऑडियंस मिलेगी वर्चुअल, जो मैंने जकी भाई को भी बताया है। तो हम लोग जकी भाई जो वन ऑफ द सीनियर मेंबर्स है, हम कोई भी चीज में अगर कहीं स्ट्रक होते हैं, कोई डाउट होता है, तो वी जस्ट गो बैक टू हिम एंड डू अ क्रॉस वेरिफिकेशन कि भाई हम करेक्ट कर रहे हैं या नहीं, हाउ डू वी प्रोसीड। तो हमने ये कंक्लूजन लिया है ओवरऑल के वी फील के कम्युनिटी को काफी सेशंस की जरूरत है। जैसा मैंने रहीन को अपने माइंड में रख के प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट का सेशन, और एक ब्रदर साइबर सिक्योरिटी के प्रोफेशन से है और थोड़े सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग। तो ऐसे जो प्रोफेशन बैकग्राउंड से है आई आई एम प्लानिंग टू हैव वीकली सेशंस, जैसा एक career talk Saturday, every Saturday we will roll out a schedule, entire schedule के एक घंटे में जो है ये session, and it would be a weekly basis. So every month there would be 4 sessions. This is what we are planning. और जो है ये नंबरिंग जो है गलत है, अपॉलॉजीज, मेरे को टाइम नहीं मिला वो नंबरिंग देखने के लिए भी, अभी मैं देख रहा हूँ। आई थिंक 13 के आसपास कुछ कोर्सेज और जो है सेशंस वगैरह प्लान्ड है, जिसमें से अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह जो है फर्स्ट सेशन हमारा कल है, जिसमें वी हैव रिसीव्ड ओवर 80 पार्टिसिपेंट्स। तो बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स है और इंशाल्लाह जो है अगर अल्लाह तौफीक दे तो उसको जो है अच्छे से कामयाब सेशंस करेंगे वो। क्विकली अभी ये सेशन जो है यहाँ पे बेसिकली मेरे को जो आपको बैकग्राउंड देना था और व्हाट वी आर प्लानिंग, ये सब यहाँ खत्म होता है। एंड देन इट इज मोर ऑफ आर ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग, जो आप लोग का इनपुट है, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, हाउ वी कैन प्रोसीड, व्हाट ऑल प्रोजेक्ट्स वी कैन टेक। तो ये बेसिकली जो है ओपन टू ऑल है एंड वी वुड लाइक टू हैव डिस्कशन अराउंड दिस। तो थोड़ा फोकस रखेंगे kind because time कम है, rather going into details will take some pointers के अगर कोई ये बोल रहा, फॉर एग्जांपल मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ कि हम जो है पर्सनल काउंसलिंग के सेशंस जो है इम्प्रूव कर सकते XYZ मेथड से, तो वी कैन हैव सम बुलेट्स जॉट डाउन हियर और उसके बाद जो है विल प्लान के क्या करेंगे। So I think it's clear for everyone. Let's get started. आप लोगों के जो भी ideas है, what all you think we can contribute towards community. So open to all है. Please go ahead.
Assalamualaikum. So this is Mohammed Hussain from Bangalore. So basically, what you said, I mean, the challenges, 100% dot on, right? I mean, मैं फिलहाल I run courses other than my core job for the same age group that kind of we are talking about in TCS, and some of the courses are in my core areas: DevOps, cloud, API development, cloud native development, and things like that. और तो सबसे बड़े दो lesson learned for me ये courses से कि अगर दो चीज अगर हम ना रखें, जो कि some of them is very difficult and some of them is easy in enterprises. I work for TCS, मैं बोलना भूल गया शुरू में। तो इसमें क्या है ना कि दो चीजें, gamification and दूसरा है कि we need to have a very good feedback loop, not just taking feedback but actually a way to kind of put them on a track. That way we can slowly start, because the goal is not to just create awareness, right? वो तो हमारा गोल नहीं है। हमारा गोल है कि जो भी हम इम्पार्ट कर रहे हैं, जो भी नॉलेज इम्पार्ट कर रहे हैं, उससे जो भी हमारे भाई बहन ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं उनकी एक्चुअल मदद हो in real world. So it's not a typical delivery of a course that is done in an enterprise, for that matter, right? You just go, you deliver, you pick them up, and I mean the people who are there, they're supposed to pick them up and run with it. वरना उनके बॉस उनके पीछे पड़ेंगे कि भाई कोर्स तो अटेंड तो किया, मिला क्या तुमको कोर्स से बाहर? So that there are people to chase them. Here there is nobody to chase them. So if you want to value our time as mentors or as subject matter experts, and we want to value that time, I feel that, and the age group and all the challenges given that you rightly mentioned, very rightly mentioned, I feel there are two major things that can be added on, which we can still do without much of technology. There are so many platforms that are out there. We can even do, I know a lot of people who are doing a lot of things offline, and just kind of putting it on there. This generation doesn't care about technology as much as they do care about seeing how they are progressing. They want to have a real-time dashboard of their own self moving along. Everything is dashboard based. I mean, the older word for that was gamification. Really, this generation needs gamified approach, and we need to have like some, and I wouldn't say entry tests, maybe entry test for the next levels as we move on, but कम से कम हर एक कोर्स का एक छोटा सा एग्जिट टेस्ट हो, ताकि हम लोग को इमीडिएट फीडबैक मिले कि कितना ग्रास्प किया हमारे ऑडियंस ने।
Okay. So test like assessment, like a small assessment is what you're suggesting.
Exactly, very small assessment. Give them like just like maybe at the end of the course, after the Q&A, give them like 5 minutes, quick 5-6 basic, very basic questions. Typically when we do these courses, this virtual courses on our platforms, right? Some of the bigger companies or any companies, LMS platforms, they have within the course itself, you figure about the end exam, within the course, they have this small, pop quiz, right?
Yep.
Something like that. Some pop quiz.
So what was the second point? The one is assessment, and what is the second one?
Gamification. You want to give them some, you want to give them some points, some scores. You want to put the hardworking people on top and say, within a city, within a region, within a state, these are the guys who are really moving up the learning with the subject matter experts. That way, once we can identify, it will help them to see that, okay, I'm happy, can I move around? Other side from us, our perspective is we can really identify, because some of the initial parts of your goals that you are mentioning, you mentioned about monetary help to the right people, right? So wo bhi hum kar sakte hain. We can monetary help them. We can actually take a more personal approach to one-on-one coaching required for someone to really, move up the ladder or really get a really good job or something like that, based on seeing how they're progressing. And this gamification will work both ways.
Great. I think those are absolute ideas. And just a little correction there. Monetary help, or more on the money basis, we are saying that we will not do it. It's not that we will do it at a later stage.
Oh, sorry, it was
yeah.
out of scope.
So
okay.
it's out of scope. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So there are a lot of reasons, so we can discuss that sometime offline. I mean, there is a strong reason behind that. I mean, we don't want to deviate right now. Thank you so much, Hussain bhai, for that input.
Jazakallah.
Azim, in this context, please add the feedback from the students or whoever attendees. This is very important because this is to improve our end.
Yeah. So for this, just input, I do send a Google form sheet for the feedback. So first session we have received a lot of good feedback. So we are on track with the feedbacks.
Excellent.
Kazim bhai, what Hussain just mentioned, that's a very good point about gamification, because even in the recent surveys, the new hires that normally join are not really looking for livelihood. They're looking for a social status. I mean, I'm talking about numbers. So we have started using some platforms, and if you guys really require licenses like Kahoot, there is a platform where we do a live KC. It's fun, it's ranked, and there are areas that we can do a quick knowledge check in order to maintain a closed loop control mechanism for knowledge delivery and learning and development. So because I'm speaking on a broader platform, I'm not limiting myself to information technology or life sciences or particularly clinical or technical approaches. But this platform is open to all, where you can set up, it serves two purposes. Like Hussain was saying, gamification. One is about the knowledge check, and then they get a social recognition, because honestly speaking, because we are sort of talking about our community, we need the right examples, and we don't have any for now. We do have examples, but they are not celebratized. That being a bigger challenge, and our generation will be looking for idols to follow, because in this group I see so many people I can follow and learn from, but they are not accessible.
Exactly. So what I mean, I do, I think we need to do a retrospect, introspect, and kind of try to understand how we can improve. But right now, not going into details, I would like to collect all the points right now, and then we can have another, breakdown of each points, so that I do not miss out on the ideas that other wants to share. That's the purpose of this brainstorming. So just the bullet point, I think that would help for everyone. So in
one quick interruption,
of time.
This is an excellent idea to have these points over here. It's very important. But in this short span of time, all the people may not be able to provide, because you just put them on this track, right? So whatever comes to their mind, they are sharing this. But in the long term, this is a good start for us to develop our platform. In the long run, you can obtain their email ID so that they can either send many points, because they will have all the time to come up with their ideas. So we can have a bigger picture of the whole thing. Right now, they don't have time. So whatever comes to their mind, they are sharing. So either a Word file or like an email message, what all they could cover, So at the end of it, however you want to have this information, I'm suggesting email ID, so that you can provide all this information, what you want to achieve here.
Yeah, that's a good point, Zaki bhai. I do so agree to that. If you have any more ideas or any more details you want to share.
Sorry.
Kazim bhai, can you able to hear my voice?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. See, what I experienced from last 7 years in this educational field, where I do counseling across, is before you guide, you should counsel them, because they don't know what is goal, what is aim, what is dedication. They don't know what is their capability and also their ability. They don't, that is concept of life, maqsad-e-zindagi, what we call it as in Urdu. They don't know, because It may be today I may tell I become a doctor, but after this point of time, no, I don't want to become a doctor because now it's coronavirus, all these things. So I'll divert to by engineer. Since they not have a stable mind, what I suggest is before you do a guidance, you should have a counseling in a different platform. Probably we'll have a counseling based on psychology, or it can have a test where we conduct across professionals, or it may be school students. We have different tools where we follow for the students as well as for the professionals to gauge their capability and capacity. After that, we'll create a roadmap for them. Is it he's going in a correct format, or it may be diverting from his goal? So that is where we'll create a Z-curve methodology, where we start, for an example, you have been there in 10th standard or second PhD. What is your aim? Your aim is a doctor, or you have a PCMB, or whatever, 80%, 90%. No, then you are not being, in that capability. Then you go for a commerce. Then in a commerce, are you good in accounting? Then you become a chartered account, or you will fall down into a banking SSC exams, where you will have called government exams, all this thing. Like we have a certain platform where we do a gauge for the student till he reaches goal. It is not like today we've been doing this as a guidance. Tomorrow we may not be connecting, but we have a long-term plan where we will do a guidance till he reaches goal. It may, because I've done Excel training in Bangalore for the community free of cost. Like I am into a professional in Accenture, program and project management analyst. I do know the Power BI, all the things, BI tools, and I have done a free of cost Excel training in Babul House Library in Bangalore. I know the capable because we have been circulated across to the community, but we attended is very, very, very less. But we encourage them. We have completed our course. We have given certification also from my institute. What I want to tell is they don't know what is the end product of what you're gaining. अभी free में मिल रहा है तो हाँ, like okay, but what they're gaining, उसका result क्या आएगा? That should be very important. So before you guide, what I suggest to have a counseling in a different parameter. It may be subjective, how much he has subject knowledge, psychologically, in the how much grasping power he has, what is the capability and ability, and then personal counseling in the sense family background, he's having any kind of distraction. It may be trouble, then it may be parents नहीं होते उनसे थोड़े, या कुछ family मतलब depression होता है बच्चों में. ये सब first to judge. After that you guide. It may be what again fruitful till end, rather you guide directly to the students.
I would second the thought of Bakar Bhai, because I feel there should be a guided journey to the students. What we've realized is that they only know very few careers like CA, doctors, engineers, and etc. They don't really know what more is available for them. So in IT, they only know software programming or few other concepts. They don't know it's quite wide. So counseling and career guidance is into buckets and explaining them what all is there is very much important at first, before we drill down into niche career guidance or niche trainings.
Yeah, so I think
you can mention as career counseling in the bullet point, because in that we have different parameters. I think I had opened a helpline for the students in the pandemic. I got 418 calls across India by knowing their problems, issues, everything. The main problem is to don't know who I am. That's the problem. If you know who I am, then I can go for the next level. So we can mention as career counseling in that we have different parameters. If you want, I can take one small session for everyone, because for the students or for everyone, not the problem, where you have to know the parameter concept of life, maqsad is zindagi, and what is the ways to find your goal. Like smart way, we have goal settings. I think you know that smart way. In that again, we have time and motion in the guidance. Our career guidance is there, but guidance we should have tools. Maybe time and motion, or it may be we have dedication methods where we'll follow to reach his goal. हमको क्या है, मकसद को पहुंचाना है बच्चे को, वो कोई भी प्रोफेशनल है, मेरी डिग्री के बाद काम, क्योंकि हमारे पास रेज्यूमे मेरे पास बहुत सारे पढ़े हैं, क्योंकि उनके पास काम नहीं है, क्योंकि उनका जो मकसद था वो अलग था, जो पढ़ने के बाद कुछ था वो अभी कुछ है. इट इज नॉट गोल स्पेसिफिक. इट इज मेरा भाई ने पढ़ लिया इंजीनियर तो मैं भी पढ़ूंगा इंजीनियर. इट इज लाइक कॉम्पिटेटिव विथ फैमिली. इट इज नॉट इस कैपेबिलिटी और एबिलिटी. ऐसा हो रहा है कि मैं भी डॉक्टर बन रहा हूँ तो कोई और भी डॉक्टर बन रहा है घर में, कंपटीशन हो गया है, उसके केपेबल नहीं है, इसीलिए वो ईयर बैक होता है, इसीलिए वो फेल भी होता है, इसीलिए वो मतलब कामयाब नहीं होता है. तो इसके लिए बहुत सारे ये आरसीए हैं जो हमने फाइंड आउट किया है. तकरीबन वी हैव फाउंडेड इंस्पेक्शन टूल्स वेयर फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स के इसके लिए क्या क्या है. तो हम लोग लॉन्ग टाइम से काम कर रहे हैं इस पे, तकरीबन 6-7 ईयर्स से. वी हैव सर्टेन फ्रेमवर्क विल फॉलो टू गाइड द स्टूडेंट्स.
Sure. So we as a career guidance group as well are doing those things. Like, you know, we also do some personality test and then make student understand their interests, strengths, and then, you know, guide them through. But I think extensively following them through their journey is something we couldn't because of lack of manpower. But I think yes, we can think and regroup on that. Yeah. So proceeding.
Kazim,
Mhm.
based on the time that you said, I think we have another 10-12 minutes. So,
Yeah, so we can
other
extend that, Zaki bhai. Sorry, we can extend that, but the thing is, like, you know, I don't want to make this a very boring session and people lose interest, and you know, they expect that all the sessions would run over time. So that is the only reason I'm just trying to, you know, put
I
that in one hour.
perfectly understand that. My point is, the point I want to raise is, other people's who have not spoken yet, they need to get a chance to speak out.
Yeah. So I'm good. I mean, I have no problem to extend this meeting to 10 minutes. And that would be mostly for this time because this is kind of an introduction. So I'm okay with that. Yeah. So Zaki bhai, you want to add something?
Not really, but you know, I don't know. We have like 14
Yeah, I think we have a lot of folks.
Whether we have covered everybody, like few people.
No, I think
spoke out,
Meesam
but,
joined recently. And then we have Mariam, Faraz. I mean, so please open up if you feel. Please
So
share
have
your
they all
experiences.
participated in this brainstorming session? That's what.
No,
my
I
point
think I think few of them have, like Bahar bhai, Zafar bhai, me, and I think Ali is still yet to.
Okay.
So yeah, I think we need to give more chance. So please, आप आगे आइए, like तो इंग्लिश में ही बात करना कोई इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. लाइक यू नो, अगर कोई वी थिंक के भाई सब जन ने इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हैं तो मैं उर्दू में बात करूं, तो ऐसा कुछ वो नहीं है. आई मीन, लैंग्वेज बैरियर प्लीज मत रखिए कि सब जन इंग्लिश में बात कर रहे हैं तो मेरे को भी इंग्लिश में बात करना है. प्लीज फील कंफर्टेबल, जैसा भी आपको जो भी कंफर्टेबल लैंग्वेज है, प्लीज यूज दैट.
तो मैंने अपने पॉइंट्स ऐड कर दिए हैं चैट में. जफर हियर.
थैंक यू जफर भाई.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन. मेरी आवाज अब तक पहुंच रही?
वाजिम भाई जी, मीसम भाई आ रही है आवाज आपकी.
सबसे पहले I would like to thank Kazim and the rest of the mentors and advisors in this forum to let me join this beautiful forum to help our community. So mashallah, you guys are doing very good, and I'm very pleased to see so many professionals speaking and brainstorming on very, very important topics. And one last thing that I would like to add is the importance of having professional network. So iski awareness बहुत important है students के अंदर. They should have some professional network, because wherever you go, whatever career you pursue, unless and until you have a strong network, you know, it's hard, especially from the experiences that I have had. Most of the opportunities that I landed, I had someone in the community or someone in my friends or family, you know, to speak about me, to say some, you know, good things about me to get a job. So that is really, really important.
So, Misam bhai, if you remember our first successful career counseling or help, right? You were the point of contact, and someone from India went to US, and with your contact, he got the job. So I think that's the idea which you're
Yes.
trying to say, right? So,
Yes.
and we are actually there. CG was actually formed keeping that goal in mind. I think we need to continue, keep doing it throughout the globe. That's the most important part, and make people aware that this is what we are here for, and we are there for you.
Yeah. I mean, the problem with our community, especially with the young kids, is, as you know, they don't open up. And so we have to, let them open up and think out of the box. And each and every student attending any session from us should know who is doing what,
Yeah.
right? So that becomes a lot easier. इससे communication gaps जो हैं वो भी, that will be taken care of. So other than that, I think we have pretty much covered everything from what I have been listening. Yeah, so looking forward to it.
Yeah, using Misam's point, I would like to segue into what I wanted to talk about, and that is simply that since we have such a good network of professionals, where it's not just level ones and level twos here. We have project managers and we have people who are very well kept in various good organizations. I think we should be in a position to, counsel people for an opening in their team or openings in their company. So that way we have a goal in sight. We have a line of sight with that. We know that, okay, there's an opening in my company for a cloud engineer, and we know exactly what it is. And these roles are usually taking around 1 to 2 months to fill. So we have ample time to maybe, prepare someone, provide some kind of experience and hire people into our company. I think that would go a long way as well. समझ रहे हैं आप? मेरी company में मेरे पास opening है. I'll groom someone for that position and I will pull them into my organization. So I think we should actively, while we are trying to train people and mentor people for some opening that isn't there, but maybe if we are always on a lookout for a good position to pull people in from our community, I think that would be a very nice thing to do as well.
Yep, exactly. So I think one of the pilot batches, Ali bhai, can be for our cloud computing training session. I think we can keep a bullseye on that and see how well we cope up with that.
So maybe we keep or try to find a platform, a social media platform or something other than WhatsApp, where the archival life of job openings and internal job postings, etc., can be kept for a longer period of time. We can just go into that database and pull out some opening for a certain person based on their psych evaluation. Find a good fit for that, and then maybe we can start preparing people for such an opening. So I think we should find a way to have a good platform to share these IJPs as well, IJPs and other openings as well.
Yep. So anyone have further more points to add or anything else would like to cover?
I just like to add one more piece. If any one of you all have been part of, at least seen the marketing done by the AMP, Association of Muslim Professionals. This is a network in India, and that's run by primarily out of Mumbai, and it's mostly by Ahle Sunnat brothers. I've been associated with them for a year now. The one thing I really appreciate is when they have sessions, not as focused as we are trying to do, but they do sessions for soft skills and basic technology training. Usually just scratch the surface and leave it there. They're not like really career focused, but the marketing, and that's what I want to add here. You would have to, we'll have to spend effort. This team or the team that's going to do the backbone, be the backbone of this, call it an organization, would have to do a good amount of marketing so that it spreads and it reaches, the places where it's supposed to reach. Not, and I don't just mean Facebook messages. I mean messages that when someone sees, they would like to forward. You know what I'm talking about.
Exactly. Yeah. So that's the reason, right? If you remember, I was talking about third point, right? Communication gap. So that's what I think we need to think about, and that's some very big problem, so far, which at least I have been observing. So yeah, I think we need to figure it out. One of the ways that we have figured out is a YouTube channel, because most of our youths are actually viewing YouTube videos. That is one thing, and Ali was also suggesting we have something on Instagram, so that around 15 to 20 years of age group are mostly there. So those are the things that we're trying to explore. But again, if you have more suggestions or ideas, please share with us.
I think the quality of the content matters a lot. I mean,
Yeah.
it's not about just posting. I mean, again, I'm not giving any feedback specifically on anything, but I'm just saying the generic what I've understood, because I also run a startup. So the quality of the content is really what matters as to is the content going forward or just getting stopped. So I think a little bit of that templating of putting up, okay, these are the base templates. This is how we're going to do it, and it's up to the mark, whether it be videos, whether it be images with the flash messages on what the course is, who's going to run it. And one more important piece that we should include, and this actually becomes part of this professional network that our brother really touched upon, very important. And I'll be honest with you, of my 14 years of career, at least for the first 10 years, I did not have any professional network. And the last 4 years, I realized how much I missed. So that's such an important thing. I think if we can both help build and help tell them why it's so important, and help them, give them the first few steps of connecting with each other and building that network and starting off along with the subject matter experts and everybody else, that would be like a jump start to their careers. So alhamdulillah, that was a very lovely point. And yeah, the marketing, and I think that's all I had. Thanks a lot. Sorry.
Yep, no worries. Yeah, any more points, please?
अगर बाद में भी आपको कोई पॉइंट्स है तो इंशाल्लाह काजिम भाई इधर चैट में ड्रॉप किया हमारा ईमेल एड्रेस और व्हाट्सएप कांटेक्ट, तो आप उसके ऊपर भी फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हैं जो भी आपके पॉइंट्स, अगर या अभी नहीं बोल सके तो बाद में भी बोल सकते हैं.
Exactly. Yep. Thank you, Aliva, for that. So I think. Yep.
Do you have any WhatsApp group for this one? Because I got from one of my friend Nourain this a meeting invite. So do I have any other way of communication where you'll update in future?
Yeah. So this is Bakhar Bhai, right? If I understand the voice.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So Bakhar Bhai, I think you have not registered or you have not given your details on Google form, right? You got to know from someone in Bangalore. Is that right?
Exactly. Correct.
Yeah. So what I can do is you have the WhatsApp number there in the chat and the email address. So either of the one you can pick that and just drop your details. Like I would need your phone number so that I can add you in the WhatsApp group. And that's exactly what we're going to discuss here. What would be our communication channel? I mean, that's the most important part, because we have I think very good network established so far, at least 14-15 folks which can immensely contribute towards community. But again, if we do not reconnect every time, we are not in sync, right? This gets lost. So it's not, if you don't talk very often, all the ideas, all what we have discussed, it is just a talk. I mean, nothing is coming into actions actually. So just to focus more on the actions rather than words, we would like to establish a communication channel firstly, and then it would be basis on everyone's convenience. Maybe if someone says WhatsApp is okay, or a normal message, or an email, whatever. I mean, it's an individual preference, and then we can come to a conclusion. Mostly WhatsApp is what everyone is using. So I did created a broadcast list right now with like 40 plus participants who said that they would like to volunteer here. So what I can do is, as a next step, I can just go ahead and create a short WhatsApp group saying that CG mentors would be the subject, something like that, and then I'll add these folks, paste the minutes of meeting, action points, and then the follow-up meeting. So all the meetings, all the action points, everything would follow up there. So if that is okay for everyone, we can proceed with that path, or else if there is something else, so that is also fine for me.
Yeah, that's fine, cousin.
So may I get response from everyone, because this is important, and I would expect a response from everyone. I got to hear from Bakhar bhai. So if you don't want to speak, you can give a thumbs up. I think that is also fine, so that we know we are with majority.
And I think we should have like a bi-weekly Zoom call as well. I think that would add some value as well. If it is too frequent, we can go with a monthly call. It
Yeah, so-
doesn't have to be too long. It can just be like 15 to 30 minutes.
Yeah, so I would say we have, I mean, obviously, Ali bhai, when things get more stabilized, or more focused, I think bi-weekly or monthly would be fine. But I think right now this is more of the talks, and then we would like to get into action as soon as possible. So 5th June is what I was planning to have a short sync up, like of 30 minutes. So if everyone is okay, I can again share this invite, and we can also invite a few more brothers or sisters who are interested in which in your contacts or your relationship. So I think that is what we can do, and then that one can be more of an action point rather than uh, brainstorming. So that's what I think of. Please let me know if you guys are okay to work on this initiative for, let us say, 1 to 2 hours per week.
So what it will be is, it would be, for example, it would be if someone is a cybersecurity expert in this group, we can have one of you take a month-long session, which will be just over the weekends, 1 hour a day, maybe on a Sunday or a Saturday. And we want to leverage the lockdown period as much as possible. I think there's a lockdown in most of the cities that we are in. So I think we should leverage this and utilize this time. Once things get back to normal outside in terms of stuff opening up, I think we might not be able to get more people to deliver sessions too. So I think we should start with something like cybersecurity, or anything that you are good in. If you can volunteer your work, your time, and a day of a week, I think we can definitely benefit from that. So at the next meeting that we are planning to have, it would be nice if we come with action plans, to execute. And that way we can socialize whatever topics are available for presenting. And then we can start collating data on who wants to do what, and then we can start executing these presentations.
Right. So is Shakir bhai there? I think he dropped. Okay. So we have one of the brothers from North India. So Maghrib there is like around 7:30. So that is the reason I pushed this call to 8 o'clock. I wanted to have this call around 7:30 basically. So that we have sessions coming up for cloud training from 8 to 9. So that this doesn't overlap with that session. So I'll check with him if there is a possibility to push this meeting backwards for 30 minutes. I'll make it 7:30 to 8. Okay.
Leave one
So
point. People are sharing their thoughts in the chat box, so make sure that you take those points.
Yeah.
मीटिंग के एंड में ये पूरा एक टेक्स्ट फाइल बन के पूरा इंशाल्लाह काजिम भाई के पास आ जाता, इंशाल्लाह उन्होंने नोट कर सकते हैं इसको एज पार्ट ऑफ मिनट्स ऑफ मीटिंग.
राइट. मेरा पॉइंट था कि मतलब ये देखते हुए आप लोगों को उसमें और कोई ऐड करना है क्या, आप लोग रिस्पॉन्स कर रहे हैं क्या वो देख.
Yeah. So I think Mariam, to answer your point on the Facebook group, right? So we did had a Facebook group and still it is there. But we see like most of our brothers are not using that, so that's the reason we are more active on WhatsApp than on Facebook. So I think we have a group. I'll share you the link to our group, but there are not many active participants there. Okay, so that's the one.
Kazim and Ali, one more thing that I have to add here is, and again, in terms of building the network. I have seen this in a local group here. Alhamdulillah, we have one professional network here. They call themselves Shine Labs. Other than doing the regular sessions, to build that professional network, what they do is they organize a fun time. They call it fun time, like every other month or every 3 months, wherein they go for a bowling session or do something. So I don't know if that is doable there. And maybe you can do a cricket session with the youngsters, or have a carom board, in an inner area, inner space, and then organize a few games so that it's fun. At the same time, it doesn't get boring for everyone who's attending, right? So if that is doable, I just wanted to lay it out there. Yeah.
Noted.
I like the idea.
Yeah.
I like
Yeah,
the
when I
idea
listen-
because this is
Go ahead,
this is an
sorry.
important point to get all the youngsters on one platform. This is an excellent idea. But here in our group, people are from various parts of the country, so they also can initiate these kind of activities in their own local communities.
Noted, mashallah. Good point.
Right. So I think we are top of the hour. If there are no further discussions, we can close this session or the meeting.
Yeah, Kazim bhai, you can add one more called digital marketing. I think I have not seen in the list. Which,
Yeah, it's not like full list, but yeah, we have that also on the plate. So we have someone, a trainer locally in Hyderabad, who has a lot of exposure on digital marketing. I need to talk to him before we can plan. Yeah.
Yeah, and also you can share the link for us also who are interested in this panel also can join the training, because sharing knowledge is very good for us. And number two, you can add BI tools like I think Power BI, Data Zen, Tableau.
Yeah.
Now the next level of business intelligence will be the platform where they're looking for is Power BI, Data Zen, and Tableau. And also, I think data science, they have three parameters in that.
Yeah.
So I don't want to go in detail, but I'm giving in heads up.
Yeah. So as I said, it's not an extensive list. We have a lot of folks. So whoever we are able to onboard, like as a trainer, we will deliver that session. Data science, it's on the calendar. There is already a brother who's working on data science. Yeah. So thank you for those inputs. Power BI and Tableau, I don't have. So maybe if you have any contacts, please do share. We can talk to that person.
Sure. Exactly.
All right. So next steps we've already discussed. Thank you so much. Before we conclude, is there any pinching point or any important point anyone would like to say? Or Zaki bhai, would you like to sum this everything and we can wrap this session?
तो वही मैं तो सबका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाह रहा हूँ कि उनके अपने बिजी स्केड्यूल्स में जो है टाइम निकाल के हमारे साथ आए, तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। तो इवन 15 लोग भी है, बहुत बड़ी बात है। तो ये स्ट्रॉन्ग कोर ग्रुप एस्टैब्लिश ऐसे ही होता। हम 4-5 साल से स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे, लेकिन जो है वही लाइक माइंडेड लोग और जो है मेंटली कंपैटिबल हो और सबको जज्बा हो कि अपनी कौम की खिदमत करने का, तो वो समझ में आया मुझे। तो काफी अच्छी शुरुआत है इंशाल्लाह यहाँ से कैरियर गाइडेंस की। और ये चीज सिर्फ हैदराबाद की रेस्ट्रिक्ट नहीं रहेंगी, ये जो लोग जहाँ से वहां पर भी ये मैसेज प्रोपेगेट होगा। और जो है हत्तल इम्कान जो है वहाँ के लोकल लोग भी इसमें ऐड हो सकते हैं, और जो है ये एक्टिविटीज हर जगह चल सकते हैं और एक्सपैंड होंगी इंशाल्लाह।
All right. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining in the meeting. See you next time, next week, 7:30 p.m. mostly. I'll share the invite, create the WhatsApp group. Stay safe, stay home.
Okay.
Good day. Bye-bye. Khuda Hafiz.
Khuda Hafiz.
Khuda Hafiz.
Khuda Hafiz.